Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a unique way of starting your work. Start by tying a reverse lark's head knot. Bring in a second color and tie a lark's head knot. Using the same cord, we are going to tie a lark's head knot on the left of the reverse lark's head knot. This is now what we call a running lark's head knot. This is perfect for starting a wall hanging or a macrame curtain. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.